Raise your hand if you've ever felt like you're just not getting it with Italian. Like you study and you have this super long streak, and yet when the time comes to speak, you just freeze and freak out on the inside a little bit. Or even worse, you feel like you'll just never be able to get it right. If you've told yourself that you're just not good with languages, or you're too old, or it's just not right for you, it's that you've been learning Italian all wrong. Stick with me here, because by the end of this video, we're going to overcome that roadblock, get it out of the way, and finally start speaking Italian so you can interact with loved ones, make friends, and really build those meaningful connections. Even if you're just a total complete beginner. If we haven't met yet, ciao, mi chiamo Maria. I'm the creator of the Italian Toolkit program and an award-winning Italian teacher, and I'm really passionate about helping you learn Italian in a way that actually gets you talking and interacting and connecting with people, and not obsessing over textbooks or grammar or things like that. I've helped hundreds of English speakers go from that constant feeling of frustration, plateauing, constantly Googling and translating words on their phone, to finally being able to connect with Italian locals, really embrace the Italian culture, and make friends in Italian freely without having to whip out their phone and translate everything. Here's one of my students, Ellen, who went from total frustration and constantly taking out her phone to Google every single word and translate, to feeling immersed, inspired, and excited to finally fill in all the gaps that the old classes and apps left behind.
This class kind of filled in a lot of the gaps and spaces that I wasn't getting from the other things that I was studying. Now I can recognize all kinds of verbs, and it's just easier to learn the language that way. I mean, obviously you go to Italy, they're all speaking Italian, and to better understand what's going on around you is like a total plus. A total advantage, and it would just make your travels to Italy so much more rewarding and happier. I mean, like that you would be able to communicate, especially if there was some kind of an emergency or you needed to tell someone something. This obviously is the way to go, for sure.
If you're ready to start learning Italian the right way without all the frustration and translating words, then you're in the right place. Click subscribe and click the notification bell so that you get access to the full library of videos here on the channel and you don't miss out on any new ones. So let's get into it. Why have you been learning Italian the wrong way? First things first, stop trying to speak perfect Italian. Just stop. In my experience, Italians would much rather have you try to speak their language and give you a lot of credit for that, even if you make a ton of mistakes, rather than rely on them to speak English back to you or just not speak at all. Even speaking imperfectly shows that you're making an effort to speak and learn their language, and that says a lot about a person. It also shows that you're willing to connect and immerse yourself. And that's the whole point. Point number 2, I get this a lot. Studying is not the same as speaking or connecting or conversing with someone. You can study hours on end from a textbook, read Italian books, listen to Italian podcasts, whatever you want. But if you're not actually trying to speak Italian to somebody, you're not really going to make a lot of progress. The magic happens when you really try to start speaking Italian out loud, even if you feel totally awkward at first. Just using dialogues like we do inside the Italian Toolkit program, having practice conversations literally in the mirror, just getting the words out of your mouth, that's really the first step. That's what fills in those gaps. Number 3, and this one's super important, grammar is a support tool, not a starting point. You do not need to memorize every single grammar rule for every single tense inside the entire Italian language before you start speaking. Grammar is a great tool to have. It'll help you express yourself more clearly as time goes on, but it's not a starting point. Don't let it stop you from just getting started and actually connecting with somebody. It's like learning how to drive. You don't need an entire textbook or the car manual to learn how to drive, right? You don't need to know absolutely every single rule. You just need to start driving. And you don't need to listen to podcasts or read 5 textbooks and dedicate hours a day to learning how to drive from books, right? You have to practice. Point number 4, it's about responding to people and expressing yourself, not about memorizing endless lists. You can memorize a list of words like the top 50 words in Italian, but what's going to happen when somebody asks you a question? You're just going to repeat a list of words? No, you're gonna freeze. Focus on how to ask questions and respond to questions. That's how you'll make progress and avoid feeling stuck. So now you might be wondering, how do I actually start speaking without freezing up? Before I do that, what's one Italian phrase or question that you know you're going to want to say all the time in Italian or in Italy? Drop it in the comments, let me know, and I'll help you master it. One of the big tips that we have inside that program is to practice speaking before you're ready. And what do I mean by that? I mean, before you dive into the grammar or anything like that, you just pick a phrase that you know you're going to want to say when you do go to Italy or when you do converse with somebody in Italian. It can be something as simple as come va, come stai, or the response tutto a posto, grazie e tu, anything like that. And just say that phrase out loud 5 times a day, like literally, and you'll learn it that way. It can be to your dog, it can be in the mirror, it can be on a walk, it could be to a friend, it could be to a neighbor. You say, hi, I'm learning Italian. Look what I learned today. I learned how to say, are you hungry? Hai fame. Another tip is to use a phrase book before you get a dictionary. Dictionaries are great, they're both very useful things, but the phrases are how you communicate with somebody. So ditch the habit of memorizing word lists. You don't need to know the 100 most common words in the Italian language. Instead, and we do this inside the Italian Toolkit program, focus on the phrases that you'll actually want to use. So for example, we could say, vuoi un cappuccino? Or vuoi bere qualcosa? Instead of just learning bere, which means to drink. One of the struggles we have as English speakers, more so than not, is translating word for word. And that doesn't work with the Italian language, or I don't think any language for that matter. So with that, don't think of the literal translation. You don't want to translate it word for word in your head, which if you get a dictionary and you're constantly looking up the words and the translations, that's a big mistake. That's really going to slow your learning. You don't need to know the literal translation, just say it as a native speaker would. So for example, non vedo l'ora means I can't wait. But if you translated it word for word, it would mean I can't see the hour. But to us as English speakers, it means I can't wait. So again, we're focusing on conversational phrases and not one-off words. This is my biggest tip. This is the entire basis of the Italian Toolkit program I created. I know the exact process to help English speakers learn conversational Italian. I went through that learning process myself. So I really know how to expedite that for you. Build a conversation starter list of phrases. Seriously, this is like a cheat sheet. Think about what you would say in everyday life. Look up these phrases, build a list of 5 to 10 phrases that you know you'll want to say in a conversation with somebody. Write them down and start learning them. Start repeating them to yourself. Practice conversation. So an example could be sono di Chicago, sono di New York City, or lavoro come insegnante. For me, I always say in a conversation that my father is from Calabria. Mio padre viene dalla Calabria. If you've been studying Italian and you have this super long streak on a particular app and you feel like you're just frustrated and you're plateauing, it's not you, it's the method. Most programs aren't designed, especially when they're on an app like that, they're not designed for human interaction or social connection. They're designed to get you memorizing words. What you need is guidance, actual connection with people, and a safe space to practice. So to help you start speaking literally right away from the very start, I created a completely free beginner's lesson just for you. In this lesson, we do not have endless lists of words. We go through dialogues, phrases, a little bit of grammar structure, just so you know how things go, and you'll be able to start speaking Italian in 60 minutes. This lesson is the perfect place to begin. It's actually where Ellen got her start and finally started seeing results. So click the link in the description below. I'll see you there and we'll get you speaking Italian in an hour. If you found this video helpful, click the like button, leave a comment on what you would like to see next. It can be an Italian lesson, it can be more mindset shifts, it could be a vlog, and of course subscribe so you don't miss out on more tips to start learning and interacting in Italian as an English speaker. Ci vediamo alla prossima. Ciao!